Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just to give you an everyday life tip. If you own a computer and it is running slow, one of the things you can do is open up the side of the computer. I'm at a customer's house right now, so I'm not all up inside their house doing all repairs and stuff because I'm here to fix their car, but I also know how to fix computers. I had a computer shop before COVID and lost it, and I'm not paying these high prices that these landlords want to pay. So right now I'm going back to my default since I was in the military, working on diesels and working on cars. With that being said, I took the side off of this vehicle on this cover right here of this computer. Just took it off. I just unscrewed it right there. Then I just taken some compressed air and I'm just spraying it out, and this thing has had a whole bunch of dust in it. Just by doing this small little thing, you will free up your computer. A lot of people do not know that one of the problems is your computer is sucking in air, and part of the air is dust. Dust gets on your CPU. Your CPU starts to get hotter and hotter and hotter because it cannot get the air out, and pretty much overheating itself, and pretty much have a heat stroke, if you want to put it in human terms, and pretty much slow down and die on you. Also, the operating system is also an issue. I've already put in their SSD cards for them yesterday, so now I'm finishing off because I'm working on their car and then coming back working on their computer. So I'm a multitask person. I've done many things in my life. I've done heating and air conditioning, got my universal license, done maintenance, been in the military since 1992. And I'm out and I'm in the civilian sector doing many great things with myself. So this is just something to help people to understand why your computer's running slow and one of your solutions. And again, I'm outside doing this because I'm not going to be up in their house working on cars and then being in their house working on their computer, but I could do it out here in the field. And like I said, all you could do is take compressed air, spray it out. Don't shake the can, but spray all the dust off it and you'll be surprised. And if you have an old beater computer, get an SSD card. Computer run 3 times faster. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.